Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Spotify Camp Nou construction site to check the latest progress. There are several interesting updates, including work in the Tribune area, new glass at the future store entrance, rapid progress in the Gol Sur stands, and even a massive structural piece being lifted by crane. So let's begin today's tour and see what has changed around the stadium. We start in the Tribune area where work continues around the main structure. On the left, most of the lateral framework is now covered with sandwich panels installed from the top. On the right, another steel structure is in place while cranes and platforms operate, and some beams still need painting. Concrete work continues in the floor areas below. Workers are moving materials and coordinating across the section to maintain the pace. At the diamond area of the future store, all 6 glass panels are now installed, including those above the door that were missing before. Workers are finishing upper details, and the entrance looks much more complete. This update gives a clear idea of how the store will look once finished. Scaffolding remains in place as crews add finishing touches around the frame. Gol Sur stands are advancing fast, with prefabricated seating rows for the 3rd tier being installed. The overall shape of the stand is clearly visible, though seats and roof elements still need to be added. The structure could be completed soon at this pace. Workers continue coordinating the placement of panels and ensuring proper alignment throughout the tier. Cranes and lifting platforms continue moving structural materials into position. Tubes are being installed on concrete walls, likely for ventilation or internal systems. Work also continues around the elevator structures, with multiple platforms active. Ceiling panels, or lamas, are being installed across the false ceiling area and are nearing the end of one section. Earlier progress was slower due to beam painting, but now installation is much faster. Workers are completing the panels steadily across the structure. The coordination between painting and installation has helped accelerate the work. A massive structural piece called a riostra was lifted by the tower crane today. It didn't fit perfectly at first, so workers lowered it to make adjustments. The element will be reinstalled once properly aligned, showing the complexity of the work. Teams on the ground are preparing the exact fitting points before the next lift. This riostra is an enormous steel element, likely weighing several tons. It may be one of the largest pieces lifted since stadium construction updates began. Watching the crane move, it really shows the scale of the project. Engineers are closely monitoring the lift to ensure safety and precision during placement. Workers continue building platforms and structural supports in front of sandwich panels. Finishing work is progressing in several other areas simultaneously. Teams are also inspecting connections and supports to ensure the structure is secure. Near Gol Norte corner, scaffolding and structural beams remain visible. Workers are assembling upper sections, and some anchoring points are installed. Other areas are waiting for additional components before further installation can continue. Crews are coordinating deliveries of materials to avoid delays. In Gol Norte Central, the stadium screen and decorative vinyl panels are already installed and operational. Workers finish details in this zone while crews continue structural work around the elevator areas within the scaffolding. The area is being prepared carefully to ensure smooth operation for upcoming matches. Near the last corner, trucks are removing material bags and construction debris. This area is being prepared for the next stage of construction. Even though it won't serve as a public entrance, crews are organizing and clearing the space efficiently. Workers are also checking for leftover materials to ensure the area is safe and tidy. Today's tour shows steady progress across the stadium, from Gol Sur's 3rd tier to massive structural elements at Gol Norte. Construction is moving forward quickly. If you enjoyed this update, like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou updates. We'll be back soon with the next tour. See you in the next video.